How to enable developer mode on iPhone. So let's get started. First, just head over to your any web browser and simply search in for Xcode. So it's basically a software which you will need to download or run it to test different Apple application, Apple test, Apple product test. So you can basically open it on your Mac, and once you open it on your Mac device, then what you need to do is next thing just open up your settings on your iPhone settings, because it offers the tools you need to develop or test the pattern. So once you do that, just come over to your settings of your device, and once inside here, simply scroll down all the way until you see the option called privacy and security, and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is developer mode, and it should be enabled. It's not showing for me because I haven't enabled or connected with my wired device to my laptop or Mac device. So once you connect it successfully, you should see the developer mode right below this lockdown mode over here. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.